Sabaydi. Hi everyone. My name is Donna Tepanorin. I am 12 years old and in the 7th grade. I want to express myself to all the Lao people and the people of the world about my country, Laos. I would like to read my essay to you all. In Laos, there are endangerments to nature, drugs, poverty, losses, hookers, dams built, the selling of children, the selling of people for their organs, the taking of people's land, and worst of all, the taking of people's dreams. Laos needs all the help it can get to stop this and all bad to come. If I had the power to change their lives in Laos, I'd make it so that everyone could be happy, live in peace, and have no worries from then on. Also, if I could help to change their lives again, I would gather all the Lao people to help me make the dreams of the people living there happen. Laos may not have a lot going for it, but you can help. I don't want to see the place where my family grew up in ruins. The children there in Laos have no clothes, and since their families are so poor, they are unable to pay for food. So most kids have to become monks. Even then, some kids and some families still starve. Many people in Laos are so poor that they can't even feed a family of 4. Laos is so poor that their schools have no walls, the children have no clothes, and the teachers and policemen and policewomen have a minimum pay of 50 cents an hour. Search up Laos on Google to get an idea of what it's like living there. My friend's dad will be going to Laos to help, and my grandparents plan on going to Laos in December. Please help Laos. Imagine if you lived there. Would you want your family living like this? If people work together, then maybe Laos will be a peaceful and understanding place. I'm a Laotian, living in the U.S. at the age of 12. It leaves me heartbroken that Laos has to suffer like this. This place means so much to my family and I. My mom grew up in Laos, but I had no idea that Laos was like this. If you have a heart, then please help Laos survive in this world. I don't want to go back to Laos one day knowing that I'll be crying because it's still like this as of now, because no one even helped. I won't be able to do good in school knowing that no one even tried to help Laos even a little bit. Even if you help just a tiny little bit toward Laos, it'll mean a lot to all the Laos people everywhere. I'm sure that once Laos is a more peaceful place, everyone will go back to their families and live together once again. I really want people all around the world to help Laos, so it'll be restored without anyone being mean or hurt anymore. This is a huge request, but if you're a good person on the inside, you'll help. Laos means everything to my family, so therefore it means the most to the youngest, which is me. Knowing Laos may never change. I'll never trust anyone for help ever again. Please look up Laos to see their struggle to survive in this world. I would like to see Laos as an uncruel world and wonderful too to live in. Laos may not be modern and may not be fancy, but it should at least be living and profitable. My wish is that Laos will no longer suffer and do such cruel things to its people anymore. Laos can only change with the help of people and humanity. Imagine if you had a family and lived in Laos, knowing that you had to give it your all every day and every night to make it a pure, happy place for them. In Laos, people often sell their children and other people's organs for money. Would you ever want this happening where you live? I may be 12, but many of those around me don't think about the little things like I do. I want people everywhere to stop and think about all of the little things in the world that need attention, that are possibly life-threatening. I want people everywhere to unite together to save Laos. And I can tell you, so do the other Lao people. You may think this has nothing to do with you, but it actually does. Put yourself in their place to see their struggle, regardless of your age or of who you are. You can make a difference. You just need something to help you realize it. Kapjai, thank you.